If you're using Odoo and you want to send professional newsletters, promotions, or updates to your customers without using third-party tools, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a complete newsletter in Odoo, starting from mailing lists, adding contacts, sending emails, tracking performance metrics, and even linking your newsletter directly to your website. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to send newsletters, but also how to analyze what's working and what's not so you can improve every campaign going forward.
Let's start by creating a mailing list. Go to Email Marketing, Mailing Lists, and click New. At the top, give your mailing list a clear name. For example, Monthly Newsletter or Promotions List. If you want users to manage their subscriptions themselves, enable Show in Preferences. This allows subscribers to opt in or opt out through the subscription management page. At the top of the mailing list, you'll also notice smart buttons showing key stats like recipients, number of mailings sent, bounce rate, opt-out rate, and blacklist rate. These will become very important once you start sending emails. Now let's add contacts to the mailing list. You can do this in several ways. First, you can click recipients directly from the mailing list and manually create or import contacts. You can also import contacts in bulk by clicking Import Contacts, where you can paste email addresses or upload a file containing emails, company names, countries, and more. Another option is adding mailing lists directly from a contact form. At the bottom of a contact record, you can assign one or multiple mailing lists. Odoo also tracks subscription date, opt-out date, and allows you to record the reason why someone unsubscribed, which is extremely useful for compliance and analysis. Once your mailing list is ready, click Send Mailing. This opens a blank email template where you can design your newsletter. You can choose a layout, add text, images, buttons, and links, all using Odoo's drag and drop editor. Make sure your subject line is clear and compelling because this directly impacts your open rate. Once everything looks good, select your mailing list, schedule the email, or send it immediately. After your newsletter is sent, this is where Odoo really shines: Analytics. When you open a sent mailing, you'll see smart buttons showing detailed metrics. Open rate shows how many recipients opened your email. A low open rate usually means your subject line needs improvement or your email landed in spam. Replied rate measures how many people responded. This is especially important for outreach or feedback campaigns. Clicked rate, also called CTR, shows how many people clicked a link inside your email. This tells you whether your content and call to action were effective. Received rate shows how many emails were successfully delivered. Bounce rate shows failed deliveries, which often means outdated email addresses or sender authentication issues. You can click any of these metrics to drill down into individual records and run detailed reports using filters and group by options. For deeper insights, go to Email Marketing, Reporting, Mass Mailing Analysis. Here you can compare multiple campaigns using charts and measures like sent, opened, clicked, or bounced emails. For example, if one newsletter has a much lower open rate, the first thing to review is the subject line. This allows you to continuously improve performance instead of guessing what works. One of the best features of Odoo is website integration. Go to your website, click Edit, and search for newsletter blocks. You can add a newsletter block, pop-up, or simple email field anywhere on your website, including the footer. Select the mailing list you want, save the page, and now every subscriber is automatically added to Odoo Email Marketing. That's how you create, send, track, and optimize newsletters in Odoo, all in one system. If you want help setting this up properly, improving deliverability, or building a full marketing workflow in Odoo, visit www.katielinks.com. Odoo's email marketing application allows you to manage your mailing lists, send newsletters or mass emails, and track detailed performance metrics, all inside one system. This means your contacts, emails, analytics, and website subscriptions are fully connected, which is a huge advantage compared to disconnected tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. and I'll see you in the next tutorial.